mean by AIO?
Hi, I'm Holly, and I'm here to tell you that robots are not taking over the world. Despite media hype about robots and automation, a recent study by A.T. Kearney has showed that manual labour covers over 75% of tasks in factories. However, the methods to measure and improve these tasks are both inefficient and inaccurate. We are blind without data. What we need is a disruptive technology for manufacturing innovation. Numii is the creation of the world's first labour health database. We use Swarm and artificial intelligence to create the first database on human work. We look at human performance, and we want to identify how to work better. How it works is a mix of the latest in edge computing and IoT. We use interconnected bots to locally analyse physical effort and movement in real time. By understanding the true human process, we can get a comprehensive overview of health and safety in factories. By using digital twins, we can compare and benchmark best practices between people, lines, and factories. Just imagine that tomorrow you could identify the precise process to sustain the health of your workers and the success of your company. By measuring, understanding, and improving work, we can free up spare time and let us humans do what we do best: invent and innovate. Numii is the motherlode of information for manufacturers. The possibilities for innovation are absolutely endless. Numii is leading the way for the future of work, one that is both healthy and sustainable. Thank you.
Good job, thank you so much.